Guys, I just want to share with you the progress so far today. I just completed 5 trading sessions with the TMNmedia Signal Service. Now, let me show you the trades that I've done so far. Profit table. Now, this is the trade for today. That's why I'm refreshing so that you guys can get to see, right? Now you can see today, yesterday we did 5 trades. Those are the trades for yesterday. So this is today. You can see signal coming up, but I'm already done. So it's just 3 to 5 trades and you're closed for the day. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 21 times 5. That's like $105. It is possible. Let me tell you, this account I started growing it from $50. So don't even think about it. See, can you see from here? This is where it all started from. So I've done only how many days so far? I've done 1, 19, 20, 24, 25. That's 4 days. Now this is 272. If I minus my capital, which is $50, that's 222. That's 100k in 4 days. Okay, I still have a long way to go because the plan is to get to 1,200 in 10 days. So I'm still going to be trading tomorrow, next tomorrow, but I may not be able to now start covering it because I'm getting a little bit busy. But I will try and show you the update. I'm trying to see if I can withdraw right now. I'm going to make a withdrawal. In fact, I'm making a withdrawal. Let me make a withdrawal in your very presence, right? I'm going to leave back. This is 220 profit, so I'm going to make a withdrawal. I'll be right back. Let me see cashier. Now it's payment agent that I'm going to withdraw to. So okay, so I've clicked on the link in my email, so I'm going to be withdrawing to myself. Okay, if you want to withdraw to TMNmedia, I'll give you good price. Just select TMNmedia Trading and I enter my amount. Okay, so I have 272. If I minus $50 from it, my profit will be 222.4. No, 51. Okay, so this is what I'm withdrawing in the space of 4 days, right? In the space of 4 days, I am making a withdrawal of this amount. So I'm going to say submit. Now I'm making a withdrawal of this amount and I say confirm. Now you can see I'm back to $50. So in the next 4 days, I'm also going to show you again the results. That's if I get to be able to show it. But hey, do you know how much that is in the space of 4 days? Slow and steady, just with my signal service alone. I wasn't using any other thing. It was just pure signal service. I was not doing direct trading. I'm just trading with the signals. Trading with it, and I said I needed to raise $1,000 with it. So the journey to $1,000, I've done 25%. Yeah, almost 25%. So if you're wondering how much is 222 multiplied by 465, that's 100k, man. 100k in 4 days. Oh, slow, steady. Don't worry. If you're consistent with it, you can make more. But you see, you need to respect yourself. Learn how to do it first. Before practice properly. Before you now start thinking you have arrived. The only problem, excuse me, the only problem why majority of the people don't make money is because we are always greedy. I know. I get shiftancy title before. I did tell you, so I know. Don't get greedy. If you follow the instruction, you will make money. If you follow the instruction, you will make money. God bless you. See you in another video.